Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get Mermaid Tail on Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, to get the Mermaid Tail, you can go to the code menu and then you can enter a code here. I'm going to give you a code to get a Mermaid Tail. You just need to follow this code on your Dress to Impress. You need to type in mermaid. Okay, and now the Mermaid Tail has been unlocked, and I'm just going to click here to close. And to use this Mermaid Tail, we need to go to the dressing room here. Okay, click on this E button and then you can click on the code icon right here guys. Just click on this code icon and then just click on the mermaid to turn your avatar into a mermaid, and you will be able to change the color of the tail. Here I'm just going to change it to green. Let's try the green color. Okay, and I'm going to apply this one as well, and I'm going to change the color. Okay, again, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Mermaid Tail on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!